Holofly versus Holism 2025. Which travel SM should you choose? Traveling internationally in 2025. Most people get this wrong by paying roaming fees instead of using a travel SM. Holofly and Holism are two popular options. Holofly offers unlimited data plans for multiple countries with instant activation and no need for physical SIMs. You won't believe what happens next. You can even keep your WhatsApp and other apps connected seamlessly abroad. Holism also provides global coverage and pay-as-you-go options, making it flexible for short trips. It's slightly cheaper in some regions, but may have slower data speeds depending on the network. The surprising truth is that both SIMs are easy to install and remove digitally, meaning no physical SIM swap is necessary. Holofly is best for long-term travelers or high-data users, while Holism works well for short trips or light users. So your choice depends on data needs, speed, and travel duration. Either way, you'll save money and avoid roaming headaches.